to trust in me. I'm not deceiving, they won't let me be. I tell them that I got a man, but they don't seem to understand. Believe me, babe, I'm doing all I can, but the pressure's more than I can stand. You know that you are still my greatest treasure. You are my favorite guy, but why should I deny yet another pleasure? You wanna make me cry. The boys will tell me it's a shame. In fact, they think you're kinda lame, because I am a foxy, high-class dame. I deserve the best and rest, 'cause it's mine to claim. Well, they tell me, yes, they tell me, while they woo, I'm just too good to be true. I'm just too good to be true. I'm just too good to be true.
Zuba dooba dooba dip, zuba dooba dooba dip, dooba dip, dooba dip, dooba doo. Wow!
Because I have another date on Thursday, is it really such a crime? We'll be together every minute Friday, can't have all my time. I guess it's true by what they say, when the cat is out the mice will play. It's uncool to be controlling anyway. Just relax and unwind, you will find that it's better this way. Well, I'm sorry, I'm so sorry. Don't be blue, I'm just too good to be true. I'm just too good to be true. I'm just too good to be true.
Huh.